Morning all, Kevin Waters here, the Nudge Coach. I hope you're well. Very lucky this morning. I've just come down to one of my favourite places in Home Park in Hampton Court. It's a beautiful area around here, lucky to live here. Just a quick thought today. I've just come back recently from the Isle of Wight Festival with a couple of good mates of mine. Gave me a chance to have a break, let my hair down, or what's left of it these days. I suppose gave my girlfriend a bit of a break as well from me. Had a great time, but it always reminds me something I try to remind myself and to remind my clients, is that it's the old story of the lumberjack that keeps using his saw every day to saw down trees, and he works harder and harder every day, but he's cutting down fewer and fewer trees. I suppose it's not a very eco message, but you get where I'm coming from. There's got to be a time when we sit down and we've got to sharpen that saw. We've got to take time out to refocus, regroup, find out who we are, so that we can go back to work and we can be more effective if that's what we want to do, or back to our lives. So I hope that gave you a little nudge today to think about having a little break, even for an afternoon or a day or a little weekend on your own or with your significant other. Okay, so here's to you. We all need a little nudge in our lives. We all need a little luck in our lives. So here's to your lucky day.